morning, students. Today's class we will study about algebra, and in algebra we take definition of algebraic expression, like terms, unlike terms. First, we take definition of algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions may be single terms or number of terms connected with the positive or negative signs. Algebraic expressions algebraic expression may be having a single term or number of terms connected with the positive or negative signs. Algebraic expressions may be having a single terms or number of terms connected with the positive or negative sign. Next, monomial. Monomial has one term. Binomial has two terms. And polynomial has more than three terms. Trinomial has three terms. Monomial has one terms. Binomial has two terms. Trinomial has three terms. And polynomial has more than. Polynomial has expression with more than three terms. More than three terms. So algebraic expressions may be having a single terms or number of terms connected with the positive or negative signs. Here monomial means single terms or one terms. Binomial has two terms. Trinomial has three terms. And polynomial has more than three terms. Now examples for algebraic polynomial. Example for polynomial has ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here number of terms are more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So polynomial has expression with more than 3 terms. Monomial means it is one term. It is example for monomial. That is 2x, 3x, 4x square, etc. Here term is only one term. Monomial means one term. And example for binomial. Example for binomial. Binomial means expressions having two terms. It is 2x plus 3y, x plus 2, 3x plus 5. Here terms are 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Binomial means expression having two terms. Next, example for trinomial. Trinomial means three terms: x plus y plus z, 2x plus 3y plus 6. Here terms are 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, degree of monomial. Algebraic expressions may be having a single terms or number of terms connected with positive or negative sign. Here monomial means one term, binomial means two terms, and trinomial has three terms. Polynomial has expression with more than three terms. Next example for polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here four terms are there. And monomial means only one term, 2x, 3x, 4x square. Binomial means two terms, 2x plus 3y, x plus 2, 3x plus 5. Trinomial means expressions with three terms. Next, like terms, unlike terms. Like and unlike algebraic terms. Like and unlike algebraic terms. Here definition, the terms are said to be like. Definition of like terms. Terms are said to be terms are said to be like if variables are same, variables are same and degree also same. Degrees of respective variables are same. Definition of like terms. Like terms means terms are said to be like if variables are same and degree of respective variables are also same. For example for like terms, here 2xy, 3xy and minus 8xy. Second example, this is first example. Second example is x square, 4x square, 5x square minus 6x square. And third example, 10x cube y cube z, 3x cube y cube z. Here like terms means terms are said to be like if variables are same. Here variables means xy, xy and xy. So three variables are also same. And degree means here x power degree is 1, y power degree is 1. Here x power degree 1, y power degree 1. In second examples, variables are x square, x square, x square, x square. These are same. And degrees, first x square means here degree is 2, 4x square degree is also 2, 5x square degree is 2, 6x square degree is 2. So like terms means variables are same and respective degrees are also same. And in third example, variables are x, y, z, x, y, z. Here x cube, y cube, degree also, here also degree x cube, y cube means degree 3, 3. And here z, variables z has degree 1, here also z, degree 1. So, like terms means variables are also same and respective degree also same. Next, unlike terms. The terms are said to be unlike. Terms are said to be unlike. Here variables are also different and degree also different. If they contain different variables, and degree also different. So unlike terms means the terms are said to be unlike if they contains different variables and different degree also different. Different variables and degree also different. Here examples for unlike terms 4x, 8y, 3z. Here variables x, y and z. Here variables are different. Next, second example, 8x square y, 4x square, 5x square, z. Here variables different. Here also variable different and degree also different. Next, questions. Write down different terms, different terms of write down different terms of each of the following. Different terms of each of the following. First example A, 3x square minus 5x plus 3. This is the expression having three terms. This is trinomial. Here terms are, first term is 3x square, second term 5x and third term 3. Write down the different terms of each of the following. So 3x square minus 5x plus 3. Here three terms are there. First term is 3x square, second is 5x, last term is 3. Next, second example. Example B, 5x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. Here three terms are, first one is 5x cube, second one is 6x square and third term is 3x. So terms are 5x cube, comma 6x square and 3x. Next, classify the following into. Second question, classify following into monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial, binomial, and trinomial. So question is, first question, x square plus 2x square, 2y square. Second, 4x cube. Third, 3x square, 4y plus 3. And fourth is ax square plus bx plus c. And fifth, x minus 7. And sixth one is 5mn cube. Here, question is classify the following into monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Therefore, first question is x square plus 2y square. Second question is 4x cube. Third question is 3x square plus 4y plus 3. Fourth question is ax square plus bx plus c. Fifth question is x minus 7. And sixth question is 5mn cube. So monomial means terms containing only one term or single term. Binomial means expression having two terms, and trinomial means expressions having three terms. So monomial means one term. Here one term is in second question 4x cube, and sixth question 5mn. These are only single term, 4x cube and 5mn cube. Next, binomial means terms containing expression with two terms. That is, first question is x square plus 2y square. Here two terms are there. Therefore, this is binomial. X square plus 2y square. This is expression with the two terms. Next, x minus 7. Here also two terms. X minus 7. And trinomial means expression with three terms. Here three terms means in third question 3x square plus 4y plus 3. Here three terms are there. Therefore 3x square plus 4y plus 3. And in example 4, ax square plus bx plus c. Here three terms are there. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is trinomial. C. Next, write down the coefficient of x. Next question. Write down coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. So question says 3x 4yz 4xyz. Third question is 5xy square. And fourth question minus 4ax. Here coefficient of x means here in the first question 3x means x coefficient is 3. In the second question, x coefficient is 4yz. And in third question, x coefficient is 5 and y square. And in fourth question, x coefficient is minus 4a. Answer. First question 3x means here x coefficient is 3, x coefficient. And in 4xyz, coefficient of x is 4yz, remaining terms 4yz. And in third question, coefficient of 5x y square. So coefficient of x, here remaining terms 5y square, 5y square. And in fourth question, x coefficient is minus 4a. Coefficient of minus 4ax, where x coefficient is minus 4a. Next, addition of like terms. Addition of like terms having like signs. Addition of like terms having like signs. Like terms having like sign. Example 1, add 5a, 6a and 3a. Here like terms are 5a, 6a, 3a. Variables are same, a. And like signs means here all signs are plus. Add means adding the numbers. Answer is 5a plus 6a plus 3a. Here common variable is a. So 5 plus 6 plus 3 and a is common. So 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. Total is 14a. Next, second question. This is the first question. Second question, add minus 2b minus 4b minus and minus 8b. Here sum is minus 2b plus minus 4b plus minus 8b, that is minus 2b plus minus minus plus into minus minus. So total 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 8 and b is common. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 6 minus 8 minus 14 minus 14b. And third question, third example, add 4a minus 3b comma 5a minus 6b and 2a minus 7b. This is the expression having two terms. This is binomial terms. Here 4a minus 3b plus 5a minus 6b plus 2a minus 7b. Here like terms are 4a, 5a and 2a. We have to take separate these three terms. 4a plus 5a plus 2a, and next variable is 3b minus 3b minus 6b minus 7b. So 4a plus 5a, 4 plus 5 plus 2, a is outside, and here b is outside, minus 3 minus 6 minus 7, b is common term. Next 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11a. Here minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 minus 7 minus 15. So 11a plus into minus minus 15b. Here 4a minus 3b, 5a minus 6b and 2a minus 7b. Add means here we have to take plus sign. 4a minus 3b plus 5a minus 6b plus 2a minus 7b. We can take separate the different variables terms. 4a, 5a and 2a are like terms. Again 3b minus 6b and minus 7b are also like terms. So separating these terms and then add the terms. 4a plus 5a plus 2a, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11a. Here minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, minus 9 minus 7 minus 15. Minus 7, 16. Next, third question. Add minus x, comma, minus 2x, minus 7x, minus 9x. Here minus x, minus 2x, minus 7x, minus 9x. X minus, here minus x means 1x, 1 minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, minus 9, and x is common terms we take outside. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 7, minus 10, minus 10, minus 9, minus 19x. Fifth example, 64th. 10x square, comma, 8x square, comma, 5x square. Here also same, 10x square plus 8x square plus 5x square. Here variable x square is same, so we take outside 10 plus 8 plus 5. X square is outside, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 23x square. Next, remaining problems I will solve in the next class. Thank you.